specimen that we'll give an overview of is a specimen that contains brown and white adipose tissue. And we're needing to use a non-human, a mouse tissue. So that's what this specimen is here. And when I bring it up, I have put labels here that you'll be able to see a lymph node, LN, a heart chamber, two of them, the way it's split apart, another small lymph node. Actually, there's esophagus and trachea here, but we're going to focus on where the arrow is, and that is where the adipose tissue is here. Oh, I need to click on and get rid of the annotations. I was making a bookmark. That was my mistake. Okay, so we're going to zoom in on this area right in the middle and see the difference between multilocular brown adipose tissue. You see the little circles here in each of the cells and the nuclei. Those represents very small vacuoles, many of them with each cell. Also, these cells contain a lot of mitochondria, and they generate heat. In fact, in the infant, the newborn infant, there's a lot of brown adipose tissue, and that keeps the infant warm. And in the mouse tissue, you have quite a bit of it, but right next door to it is the unilocular, one single large vacuole with the nuclei. And so these are, this is white adipose tissue. White adipose tissue, brown. Now you should be able to see the contrast between the two. Over here is, actually this is a bundle of nerve fibers wrapped in there. And you'll learn about that later. But just remember now what we've tried to emphasize in the Module 1 BioLucid Lab collection are epithelium and the different types of connective tissue, including one specialized connective tissue, adipose tissue, and we've just demonstrated multilocular versus unilocular adipose tissue. So that concludes this survey of this specimen.